I'll guide you through setting up the Cash App Savings Vault and achieving green status to unlock the highest interest rates available. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open Cash App and tap the Money tab on the bottom left, then select the Savings icon. To create your first vault, tap Set a Goal, choosing a custom emoji and a specific target amount for things like an emergency fund or a vacation. Complete the Form W-9 tax confirmation within the app, which is a mandatory one-time step. Qualify for green status to unlock the maximum 4.5% APY by either depositing $300 in monthly paychecks or spending $500 on your Cash App card. Note that if you don't meet the green status requirements, you will still earn a base interest rate of 1.5% APY, which is still significantly higher than most traditional banks. Toggle the Roundups feature to automatically save the spare change from your debit card purchases, sending it directly to your chosen savings goal. Set up a percentage of your direct deposit to land straight in your savings vault, ensuring you hit your green status and your savings goals effortlessly. Review your daily accrued interest within the Savings tab, which is compounded monthly and paid directly into your vault balance. You can instantly transfer money out of your vault back to your main Cash App balance at any time, as there are no monthly limits or lock-in periods in 2026. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.